Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have some new diamond paintings to share with you today. These ones were sent to me by GBFKE. Now this is a company that I have purchased from many times for picking out some diamond paintings of my own, but they reached out to me and asked me to review their product, so I thought this would be great because I do love their website. They also now have a new fan page on Facebook, so I will have the link down for you below. They post new images when they go up on their website, so you guys can check them out. And let's start off. Let's open up this little one here. They all came in the plastic mailing bags, and then of course they're in their little foam packaging, but quickly open them up to make sure they're which ones they came from. Comes with the basic kit with the boat, the wax, and the pen. Overflowing with those right now. This is a round one. Kind of sticking with round lately on these smaller ones just because they work up a bit faster for me. So I thought this one would be cute. It's really bright colors. It's a chair with two cats on it that says life is better with cats. Has the legend here. There's 22 colors. It looks like it's all letters, which is awesome. That's kind of the ones that I really like. The DMC codes are in there. Everything looks really nice and clear. The canvas is a little bit glittery. Nice and sticky glue. Let's give you guys a bit of a close-up there so you can see. Nice clear letters. I think this one's going to be super cute with these little kitties. And the chair has like a flower print in it. Open up the drills really quickly. Oh, I did have my measuring tape today. Today I am organized somewhat. So this one is a 30 by 40, but that's the outside. Oh, it would help if I use the right side. So it is 25 by just over 34, like 34 and a half. And this one was $7.49 Canadian. Sorry for the crinkling. It does have the code that's on the canvas so you can match them up. And again, there's 22 colors. Yeah, marked to 22. Gonna be a nice range of colors on this one, but I think it's gonna be really cute. It's a really pretty color. Look at these pinks, gorgeous. Those two are the same. Number 12. This fuchsia. More pinks. This turquoise is great. This is going to be our background color here. There's 3 of them, and then some white for the lettering. So that one's going to be really cute. That off to the side. And then the second one here, this one is a little bit bigger. This is a 40 by 50. And the bubble mailer. This one matches with a couple others that I've done before. Not sure if you remember, I did, one was a fox in the middle, and I believe the other one was a raccoon. But I think that they were 30 by 40, and this one happens to be a 40 by 50. So I thought that that would be really nice. It might give some more detail. This is the tiger peeking out of the flowers with all the leaves. I think that that's going to be really cool. Same basic kit, boat, wax, and the pen. Let's measure. So 40 by 50 is the outside. And for the image, we have just shy of 35. And just shy of 45. So usually around 5 centimeters you lose on each side. But the face looks really detailed. I really love that. I think that that one's going to be really nice. We have 23 colors, and again, all letters for the symbols, nothing weird to look at. They do a really good job of putting white letters on the darker colors. There's DMC codes. It is a nice sticky and staticky canvas. See if you can see close up of the drilling field there. Definitely will use the light pad for this. Just for me, it's a little bit easier to see. Line it out a little. Look at those eyes. I think that's going to be awesome. Did a great job. There's some nice air bubbles in there. All right, so the drills and this packaging. It does have the canvas code, so you can match them up. You don't have to worry about storing them together. What did I say? 23. This one goes to 18 and 19 to 23. So these ones are going to be more muted, neutral colors. Some deep purple, some grays. This is beautiful. And then nice buttery yellow, navy, some rust colors in there, and blues. This one I believe is a navy. 17 is, yeah, 939. There's a pretty green. And then we've got some beige and some more blues. So that one is going to be awesome. This one, the 40 by 50 was $9.49 Canadian. Great price for that size. All right, so those are the two that were sent to me from GBFKE. Again, I've had great service from them, generally fast shipping for any items. I don't usually share the shipping on these ones because they may be sent to me in different times, and it doesn't necessarily follow the same as someone purchasing directly from them. So, but check out their Facebook page. Again, I will have the links down below to both of these products, their website and their Facebook page. I totally recommend GBFKE. Check them out. Yeah, that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.